Hello there, science enthusiasts. I'm Leana, your guide to the fascinating world of science. Today we're embarking on a journey beyond the visible universe, delving into the concept of parallel universes. Often a staple of science fiction, this idea is also a serious topic of discussion among the brilliant minds in theoretical physics. Imagine a reality where different timelines and alternate versions of our existence could be possible. Intriguing, isn't it? So, buckle up as we dive into the intriguing world of multiverse. First off, let's clarify what we mean by a parallel universe. You might have heard about it in science fiction movies or TV shows, where characters jump from one universe to another, where history took a different turn. But let's ground this concept in reality, or rather in the realm of theoretical physics. A parallel universe, also known as an alternate universe or quantum universe, is a hypothetical, self-contained reality coexisting with our known visible universe. This means that there could be a universe that exists alongside our own, perhaps just a hair's breadth away, but invisible and inaccessible to us. Now, this isn't just random speculation. The idea of parallel universes comes from a direct interpretation of the mathematical equations of quantum mechanics, specifically the many worlds interpretation. According to this interpretation, every time a quantum event happens, the universe splits, creating a new universe for each possible outcome. For example, if you flip a coin, in our universe it might land on heads, but in a parallel universe it landed on tails. This concept suggests that there could be an infinite number of these universes, each representing a different outcome of every event that has ever happened. So you might be living out countless variations of your life in countless parallel universes. In one, you could be a renowned scientist. In another, a world-class athlete. And in yet another, you might have wings and the ability to fly, if the physical laws of that universe allowed it. But it's crucial to remember that these are all theoretical constructs. While the math supports their existence, we don't have any empirical evidence of parallel universes yet. The search for evidence is ongoing, with scientists around the world working on experiments to test the many worlds interpretation. Imagine an infinite number of universes, each different from the other in countless ways. This idea not only expands our understanding of reality, but also opens up fascinating possibilities and questions about the nature of existence itself. So, how can something as wild as this idea even be considered by serious scientists? Well, to answer that, let's dive into the realm of quantum mechanics and string theory. Quantum mechanics, the science that describes the behavior of particles at the smallest scales, has a curious feature known as superposition. This means that a particle can exist in multiple states simultaneously until it is observed. Sounds strange, right? But this is where the idea of parallel universes starts to take root. The many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics, proposed by physicist Hugh Everett, suggests that for each possible outcome of a quantum event, the world splits into a parallel universe. In one universe, the particle is observed in one state, and in the parallel universe, it's observed in another. This could mean that there are countless parallel universes, each with its own unique version of reality. Now, let's turn our attention to string theory. String theory is a theoretical framework where the point-like particles of particle physics are replaced by one-dimensional strings. This theory requires the existence of 10 or 11 dimensions, as opposed to our familiar 3 dimensions of space and 1 of time. In this framework, what we perceive as our universe could be just one of an infinite number of universes, collectively known as the multiverse. These universes could exist in different dimensions, separated from ours by a thin barrier, and each could have different laws of physics. But wait, it gets even wilder with the concept of brane theory. Here, our universe is seen as a 3-dimensional brane floating in a higher dimensional space, the bulk. Other branes, other universes, could be floating in this bulk too, and they might even occasionally collide with ours, causing phenomena that we might one day be able to detect. So are these theories proof of parallel universes? Not quite. They are theoretical possibilities, and we still lack the means to directly observe these parallel universes. But they do give us a framework to think about the possibility of their existence. Moreover, these theories aren't just flights of fancy. They have been developed to solve real problems in physics. For instance, string theory is a candidate for a theory of everything, a way to reconcile the seemingly incompatible theories of quantum mechanics and general relativity. It's mind-boggling, isn't it? But remember, in science, even the most bizarre ideas can be worth exploring. After all, the history of science is filled with ideas that were once thought impossible, only to be confirmed by later experiments. So, while we don't yet have proof of parallel universes, we can't rule them out either. And who knows? One day we might even find evidence that we are indeed part of a much larger, much stranger multiverse. The concept of parallel universes, if true, would have profound implications. So, let's delve into the intriguing possibilities that could unfold if parallel universes do indeed exist. Firstly, it could fundamentally change the way we perceive reality. We've always thought of our universe as the only reality, a unique stage where the drama of existence unfolds. However, if parallel universes exist, it implies that our universe is just one among an infinite number of realities, each having its own unique narrative. It's like flipping through a cosmic TV with an infinite number of channels, each broadcasting a different version of reality. How's that for a reality check? The existence of parallel universes also raises fascinating questions about our sense of self. If there are infinite realities, then it's likely that there are infinite versions of you out there, living out their lives in these parallel universes. This isn't just a philosophical musing, it's a logical outcome of the multiverse theory. Each version of you could be experiencing a different reality, making different choices, and leading different lives. This could be a comforting thought or a disconcerting one, depending on how you look at it. And speaking of choices, what does the existence of parallel universes imply for the concept of free will? Well, it could mean that every choice you've ever made, every path you've ever chosen, has played out in some parallel universe. In one universe, you might have chosen to become a doctor. In another, you might have pursued a career in music. Each choice, each decision spawns a new universe, a new reality. This idea might seem to undermine the concept of free will, but it could also be seen as an affirmation of it. After all, it's your choices that are creating these infinite realities. However, it's important to remember that these implications are speculative at best. The existence of parallel universes is still a hypothesis, a fascinating one, but a hypothesis nonetheless. It's a concept that's pushing the boundaries of our understanding, forcing us to question our assumptions, and challenging us to think bigger, think wider, think infinite. The multiverse theory truly pushes the boundaries of our imagination and understanding. So, we've taken a brief journey through the concept of parallel universes, but there's so much more to explore. We've dipped our toes into the ocean of possibilities that parallel universes present, an ocean so vast that it's filled with an infinite number of realities, each unique and fascinating in its own right. We've learned that parallel universes aren't just the stuff of science fiction, but a theory rooted in the complex world of quantum physics. Our exploration started with understanding what a parallel universe is. It's a realm existing alongside our own, but with different outcomes, different timelines, and perhaps even different laws of physics. We've seen how they might exist thanks to the enigmatic world of quantum mechanics, where particles can be in two places at once, and where reality itself might be split into countless versions. We've delved into the science behind parallel universes, understanding how they fit into the broader framework of the multiverse. We've journeyed from the tiniest quantum particles to the vast expanse of the cosmos, and seen how these universes could be layered on top of each other like pages in a book, or exist as bubbles within an infinite cosmic foam. And we've touched on the implications of these parallel universes, how they challenge our understanding of reality, how they might explain the mysteries of quantum mechanics, and how they could even hold the key to understanding our own universe better. But this is just the beginning. There's so much more to learn, so many more questions to ask. What would these other universes look like? Could we ever visit them? And most importantly, what does the existence of these universes say about our own place in the cosmos? The exploration of parallel universes is a journey that's just getting started. And it's a journey that we can all be a part of. It's a journey that's fueled by curiosity, by wonder, and by the thirst for knowledge that's at the heart of all scientific exploration. If you enjoyed this journey into the multiverse, give us a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more exciting scientific explorations. I'm Leana, and I'll see you in the next video.